Hello everyone, I'm Cheryl Ciecko, founder of avoidingmold.com, and I'd like to tell you about a mini course that I'm offering, and it's going to be a lower cost than the ultimate course will be. So it's going to be on building a safe home, building basics. You've asked for it and I'm going to provide it. This was the most popular topic in a recent survey that I did in my group. So a lot of people are trying to figure out how to build a safe building, and so we're going to go over the basics. So I'm going to talk about site design. Climate will be included in that. Topics related to the foundation. There's all different kinds of foundation and why one might be better than another in a given location. We're going to do a section on building design, a section on the roof, also on walls and openings and how to keep those dry. And then finally a section on contracts will be a bonus section. Build a safe home, learn the basics.